Alright, distinction family, welcome back to Distinction in Mathematics. Today's video, without using a calculator, we are told to simplify this to a single trigonometric term. Now, when you are told to simplify without using a calculator, they don't really mean it is not allowed in the exam room. When you find yourself in a situation where you feel a need to use it, go ahead and use it. What they really mean is you have to show all the steps and not just jump to the answer. And also, it is going to be easy for you to find the answer without having to use the calculator. We're going to start at the top with our numerator. We have sine 10 degrees. We cannot just change sine 10 degrees if we have nothing to relate it to. So until then, we're just going to drop it as it is. When you have an angle that is greater than 360 degrees, you minus 360 degrees from it. We have cos 440 degrees. When we minus 360 from 440, we are left with 80. So we're going to have cos 80 degrees, and that is the angle we're going to be working with. 360 degrees minus theta lies on the fourth quadrant where tan is negative. So we're going to have a negative tan theta. And we also have a double angle for sine that can also be written as 2 sine theta cos theta. Now we have an angle that potentially relates to this 10 degrees. When you look at our denominator right here, we have cos 80 degrees. So to relate it to our numerator, we can simply minus 10 degrees from 90 degrees to get 80 degrees. Tan theta can also be written as sine theta over cos theta. So we're going to change it to that identity. (90 degrees minus lies on the first quadrant where all the trigonometric functions are positive. So that is a positive 80 degrees. But we know that at 90 degrees plus or minus, sine changes into cos and cos changes into sine. So we're not going to have a positive sine 80 degrees, but we're going to have a positive cos 80 degrees. These two divide each other to give us 1, and cos on the numerator is divided by cos on the denominator, leaving us with only minus 2 sine squared theta on the brackets. Thank you guys for watching. I'd like to see more people join the team, so please share this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please click that subscribe button and join the team. Also, I'd like to know where you find a challenge in simplifying or trigonometry as a whole, so please leave a comment and watch more videos on this channel. We'll see you on the next video.